Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do research on a particular time and place in Artstor on JSTOR or JSTOR images. So we're going to start just by clicking on our link to go to our database. Here we are. You can see that I'm logged in here to my account. If you haven't created an account yet, there is a tutorial that you can watch that shows you how to do that. If you have an existing JSTOR or Artstor account, you can use that to log in. Logging in gives you access to the workspace. So the workspace is where you can save, organize, and export your files. So moving down to our search, here we have our general search field, but we want to use advanced search so that we can narrow in on specific criteria. So while there's many ways we can build a really detailed search query, today we're just going to focus on date and country. So starting with the date, you can hover over this question mark to see that we can enter dates as years, years and month, or years, months, and date to get really specific. So for my example, I'm going to explore 20th century art from Mexico. So I'm just going to search on year starting from 1900 to 2000. If you wanted to search on years that are BCE, you can do so with that drop down. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose Mexico from our country list. And I'm going to now click submit, and it's going to fetch us our results. We see shy of 10,000 results that we can start exploring. But to refine our results, we can come here to the left and start to make sense of these 10,000 results. So we can start to see how these images are classified. We see paintings and drawings and photographs and so on. So if we wanted to look at just photographs, we would click on that and it would bring us back photographs. So that's one way you can narrow. The other way you can narrow is by geography. So this is interesting because we didn't see this in the advanced search, but it is now available here in the results. So you can see various regions, and the region highlighted is the one that contains our country, Mexico. And so let's say you're researching and you want to now expand your search. You can now choose other countries that you're interested in, or perhaps even choose the whole region. Which you can do just by clicking here on the box that's highlighted, and it'll select all the countries and bring back all the results associated with the region. So that was an introduction to doing time and place research in Artstor on JSTOR. Remember, if you have questions and or need assistance, remember you can come back to the library website and ask a librarian. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy exploring.